I am so obsessed with my new figurine figures, like those cat figurine figures. Super cute, it's super nice. Look at this little cute cat. And this little one too. There's two of this yellow one, two of the gray one, and look at this tree. It's made of ceramic. Look at the details. I'm going to put it on my coffee tray, on my coffee table here, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So this is the little figurine. Look at the cute eyes. This is the baby cat. This is the little other kitty. Hi, little kitty. This is the other one. Hi. Hi, cutie pie. How cute. I'm so in love. Like, look at the little details of the tree, the flowers. Look at the little birdie. This is like so cute at my coffee table, and it also comes with a little card, special love for special you. I love kitty cats. And look at the paw here. Isn't this like the cutest? The little details of this cat figurine is just like perfect. I can add like a little book here. Let me grab one. I can style it also with a little book. It can go with so many different ideas. I'm so in love with it. It's super cute. It added this amazing touch to my countertop, to my coffee countertop. Love it. Bye bye for now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, little cutie pies.